Black hole doesn't kill you first. It steals your future. In the movies, they are portrayed as hungry monsters, cosmic vacuum cleaners eating stars and planets. But the reality is far more terrifying, far more clinical. A black hole is not just a place in space. It is a place where time itself stops behaving normally. If you were to fall toward the edge of a black hole, the universe's clock would begin to unravel around you. Your last second would become an infinite, agonizing eternity. Your screams would be frozen in a shell of light, never to be heard, and never to escape the throat of the abyss. Black holes don't just break physics. They break the sequence of cause and effect. They are the ultimate erasers of human existence. Today, we step into the shadow of the event horizon to see why the most dangerous thing in the cosmos is not the death of your body, but the theft of your tomorrow. Welcome to Cosmos Protocol. The universe has a speed limit, and it's not just for light, it's for time itself. Modern physics shows us something deeply unsettling. Gravity doesn't just bend space, it bends time itself. As you approach the event horizon, the massive gravity warps the reality around you so severely that time begins to stretch like elastic. From your perspective, you are falling normally, perhaps looking back at the stars. But to someone watching you from the safety of a distant ship, you are slowing down. You become a ghost, a red-shifted silhouette, suspended forever at the edge of the abyss. While you spend what feels like mere minutes near that dark edge, entire civilizations could rise and fall on Earth. The oceans could boil away, the mountains could crumble into dust, and the sun could expand and die. The universe itself could reach its final, cold breath, and you would still be there, trapped in a single, infinite second. You are not just losing your life, you are being disconnected from the history of everything that ever was. You are a prisoner in a moment that never ends. If the distortion of time doesn't shatter your mind, the physical reality of space will certainly shred your body. Scientists use a term that sounds almost playful: spaghettification. But there is nothing playful about what is happening to you. As you cross the threshold, the gravity at your feet becomes millions of times stronger than the gravity at your head. The difference is so violent that your body is literally ripped apart, atom by atom. You are stretched into a thin, glowing stream of subatomic matter. A human wire, miles long, spiraling into the dark throat of the singularity. There is no air to carry a scream. There is no blood to flow, because the atoms of your heart have already been pulled away from your chest. You are no longer person. You are data point, a silent, microscopic layer of information added to the mass of a monster that has no memory, no mercy, and no end. You become the very thing you feared. The event horizon is the loneliest border in existence. It is a threshold that only goes one way. Once you cross it, you have left the universe behind. Inside, the laws of physics as we understand them cease to function. Space and time swap roles. Inside a black hole, the future is no longer a direction in time. It is a direction in space. Every path you take, every move you make, leads only to one place: the singularity, the center, the end. You are trapped in a pocket of reality where the tomorrow you were promised has been completely erased. The stars you once looked at from Earth are now an unreachable, distant memory. You are in a place where the universe has effectively finished its story with you. You are no longer part of the timeline. You are in the void, where even light is a prisoner. Black holes are the universe's way of cleaning its ledger. They are the points where reality ends and the absolute unknown begins. They don't just consume stars. They consume the very possibility of a future. We look at the stars to find meaning, but perhaps we should look at the dark to find perspective. There are places in this cosmos where time is a prisoner, and where the future is a luxury that has been permanently revoked. The void is not empty, it is hungry, and it is all the time in the world to wait for you. Stay curious, stay careful,